So you're looking for a meeting recorder, but which one is going to be the best fit for you? In today's video, we'll be reviewing two AI note takers, Fathom and Bluedot. After reviewing the key free features of both tools, we'll jump into a look at the insights and transcription that they both offer, to help you decide which could be the best fit for you and your company. So let's not waste any time and jump straight in with Fathom. You'll see when you head to Fathom's website that they have a free forever plan. And with Fathom, you can record your Zoom, Google Meet or Teams meetings. It's going to be your meeting audio and video that's recorded. You get an unlimited number of recordings included on the free plan every month. And Fathom supports meeting transcription in 25 different languages. On the free plan, you get AI summaries included, but advanced summaries are limited to 5 per month. And once you've used these 5 advanced summaries, your other meeting notes will then be in chronological order. You can have Fathom automatically join your meetings by going into settings, then clicking all meetings on the first drop-down box. If you've started an ad hoc meeting, and for this example I'm using Google Meet, you can download the Chrome extension. Then once your meeting begins, you just have to click on the Fathom logo, either in the top right of the screen or the bottom left. And then Fathom will get to work transcribing your meeting for you. But you will notice that Fathom uses a meeting bot, meaning it will look like there's another person sitting in on the meeting with you. When your meeting ends, just return back to Fathom and you'll see the video recording of your meeting on the left-hand side of the screen with a summary and a transcript underneath. Then on the right, you'll see the ability to share the recording and any action items that Fathom has picked out of the transcript. And Fathom also has some other key free features, like offering unlimited storage and unlimited recording length and an Ask Fathom feature on your first 5 calls each month, which we'll discuss in a bit more detail in the insights and transcription section. So to recap, Fathom offers a free forever plan which does what it says on the tin. And included in this plan, you can record your Teams, Zoom or Google Meet meetings. You get an unlimited number of recordings each month, available in 25 different languages. And Fathom records both your audio and your video. And it offers you 5 advanced AI summaries per month. And then once you've used these, the rest of your summaries will be in chronological order. To join a meeting, you can either have Fathom join automatically or you can add it to an ad hoc meeting. And when Fathom is in your meeting, you'll see that there's a meeting bot looking like another person. And as well as these features, Fathom also offers action items, it has unlimited storage, and you can record for an unlimited length. So what does Bluedot look like in comparison? Well, the first thing to note is that you get 5 free meetings per lifetime on the free version of Bluedot, but each meeting can be up to 1 hour long. And on Bluedot's free plan, you can record both your audio and your video. Bluedot may be designed primarily for Google Meet, but it also supports Zoom and Teams. Bluedot also uses a Chrome extension to connect to your meeting. And once you've downloaded it, you just have to click on the logo in the top right hand side of the screen, then select the type of notes that you want it to capture, your microphone, and click Start Capture. And Bluedot will record both your audio and your video. But one thing that differentiates Bluedot from many of its competitors is that it doesn't use a meeting bot. And finally, when you end your meeting, both your video and your transcription will be shown in a new window almost instantly for you. So to recap, users get 5 free meetings per lifetime, which can be up to 1 hour long each. You can select the type of meeting notes that you want Bluedot to capture for you. There won't be a meeting bot in your meeting, unlike many of Bluedot's competitors. Your audio and video will be recorded, and when your meeting ends, your video recording, transcript and summary will all pop up in a new window almost instantly for you. So onto the insights and transcription, and let's start again with Fathom. When your meeting ends and you return to Fathom, you'll see your video recording, summary, transcript, and an Ask Fathom feature all on the left-hand side of the screen. For this example, you'll see that the summary is produced according to the chronological summary template. And as you'd expect, this separates the meeting into key topics that were discussed during the meeting in chronological order. You'll see that you can change the summary template and the language, but remember that you can only have an advanced summary for the first 5 meetings of each month. And the transcript then shows everything that was said by each attendee. One unique thing Fathom offers is the ability to highlight a section of your meeting if, for example, you thought something really positive was said. And if you do so, when you get back to the recording in Fathom, you'll see that section highlighted in blue. And finally, there's the Ask Fathom feature, where you can ask for key insights about your meeting, like, for example, what progress was discussed. But remember, this feature is only available on those first 5 meetings of each month. We've already spoken about your Bluedot transcription appearing in a new window almost instantly once your meeting ends. And when it does, you'll see the following setup. Your video will be on the left-hand side of the screen, and there will be an overview underneath it. The overview will be based on the note summary template that you asked Bluedot to use when you started the recording. But for this example, I've used the general notes template. And you'll see there's an overview, followed by notes on topics from the meeting split into key sections. And on the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see the transcript, insights, and an AI chat. If you want key insights about your meeting, you can either click on the Insights tab to find out things like who spoke the most during a meeting, or you can use the AI chat. By asking it questions about your meeting, you can get almost instant answers, allowing you to get more insights without having to read through the whole transcript or even the summary. So, which do you think you'll be choosing? Hopefully this video has given you an introduction to each tool, but of course you need to go away and have a play with each tool to decide which one will be right for you. You can find a link to both of them in the video description, and if you found this video helpful, then please don't forget to give it a like and make sure to subscribe for similar videos in the future.